Hi guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to enable microphone SS in Windows 11. This guy is very easy. First click here, search, and here you type settings and press enter. Then here you see privacy and security. Click on it. Then scroll down and here you see microphone. Click on it. Microphone SS. We have off, please on it, and you can on another, you can on it like Skyper. This way guys we can enable microphone in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment, and this video is full or not, please comment and subscribe my channel for latest update.